Welcome to our beginner English class. Come and learn with us.
Time to get up.
Oh no! It is 7:30!
The ship leaves at 8 o'clock.
What? Only 30 minutes? Oh, we are late!
I have to get out of here! Quickly! Quickly!
Where is it? Oh! Ah, here they are. Thank goodness.
Where are my shoes? Under the sofa.
Let's go!
Run! You're late. Buckle up quickly.
Please be careful, you're driving so fast.
Oh no, we're late. I should have checked the time.
Is everything all right? You're driving fast.
No, we're gonna miss it.
Drive carefully, please.
Okay, step down carefully now.
Look at all the boats.
It's a perfect day for sailing.
I can see the ship. Wow. It is huge.
Attention all passengers. This is the final call for the Star of the Sea, departing in 15 minutes. All aboard.
Don't push. Stay together.
Keep going, don't stop.
Hurry, we're late.
Be careful.
Thank Dad.
Tickets, please.
Ta-da!
The train ticket is here.
Oh, thank goodness. It's even more beautiful than I imagined. Let's go.
We made it!
That was terrible. Maybe we need to be faster next time. I feel so lightheaded.
It consumes a lot of calories. Welcome aboard! This place is beautiful.
Look at the ocean.
The water is so blue. So much food. Take small portions first. Looks good. Those rolls are fresh. Can I have some cereal?
After you finish that, sweetie.
I'm gonna take all of these. Ha! Wait, I need more eggs. Hurry up.
We only take just enough, not too much.
And it would be a waste not to eat it all.
Okay, Dad, Mom.
Smells amazing. Let's dig in.
I'm so hungry.
Enjoy your food, everyone.
Hello, everyone. Today, my family and I will be reviewing the food on the ship.
Oh, this dish is absolutely delicious. Very fresh and nutritious.
Children eat quickly, then we'll go swimming.
Look out there. The swimming pool is too big.
We'll swim there, that's right.
That's great. I'll swim the breaststroke.
Can we have a swimming competition?
Okay, Dad.
Let's warm up before we swim.
Duh. Why, Dad?
Preparing mentally helps prevent serious injuries. It helps the body adapt to water pressure and improves swimming performance.
The water is cool.
I am here. Don't worry.
Okay, thank you, Mom.
You did it. Good job.
Look out!
Here comes a big one.
Splash attack!
Yeah, we got you.
All right, big smiles, everyone. Say cheese.
Cheese!
Careful, sweetie, you're getting us all wet.
Yay, splashy fun!
Perfect. One more for the album.
Looking into the camera, we will take a commemorative photo.
1, 2, 3, smile!
Dry yourself off to avoid catching a cold.
Thank Dad.
Let's go. We'll get on the boat and go shopping for souvenirs.
We will buy gifts for our grandparents.
That's right.
Are you guys ready? Which shirt should I wear? We will wear similar clothes. Okay. Okay. Tina,
Wow, this dock is so long.
It sure is. We're almost at the end.
Look at all the boats in the harbor. Can we go on the big one?
Maybe tomorrow. Today, we're exploring the harbor. Wow, look at the corn. Can we get some?
Yes, let's get a couple for a snack. Can we buy potatoes as a gift for our grandparents?
Potatoes will spoil and become unhealthy.
Dad, can I buy a ball as a gift for Grandpa?
He was too old to play football.
What should we buy?
Good question. What about a basket?
Or maybe some pottery? They like handmade things.
That's a great idea. Let's keep looking. Okay.
My grandfather really likes drinking tea.
A great idea. We'll buy a bracelet as a gift for Grandma.
Wow, it's beautiful. It's a lovely choice. That will be $20.
Here you are.
Thank you. Enjoy. Grandma will love it.
Isn't that just a perfect view, kids?
Wow. Look how big this ship is.
I can't wait to see inside.